My name is Sandra. I'm going to teach you about the layers of dirt. This is the crust. The crust is where we live. I saw people were digging for gold, and there was a little crystal here, and then when they found it, they said, "Aha! This is gold," but it's not gold. So it has Fu in its name. The mantle. The mantle has magma in it. This is the outer core. The outer core is the outer core is called the outer core because it has something in. The inner core. The inner core is the hardest one. It has nickel and the nickel is liquid because it's so hot. And there's something that's traveling around. It goes like this. Like this. Like this. Here it goes. It goes like around, then it goes back up, then it goes like that, but it can go, and it goes this side, and it's called the magnetic field. And both of these layers have nickel and iron, and they're burning, and the nickel and iron in both of these are liquid, and the thing that I told you travels around is called the magnetic field. Okay, if you slice the earth, then this is how it would look like. Think about it's all fat. So the crust would look like this, and the mantle would look like this. But think of the mantle is red, and think about it. And this is the outer core. Think about the outer core burning hot, and think about the inner core burning hotter.